Are you struggling with fear, with self-doubt, with a lack of confidence in your ability to achieve the success you know you're capable of? What if you could build an unconditional confidence? Most people are giving their power away to circumstances, situations, and conditions. They're asking for permission to the economy, to their boss, to their competitors, to their bank accounts for what they can achieve. But you have the capacity to deepen in your ability to have an inner freedom from external circumstances. And how do you do that? You build in you what's called a spiritual warriorship. That's what the Buddhists call it. An ability to stand firm in your center, in your calm confidence, regardless of circumstances. It doesn't mean things will always go your way. It doesn't mean that you won't sometimes lose or have setbacks. But when you build an inner stability inside of you, you know that you can welcome all of experience, and even if the waves of challenge knock you down, you know you're going to get back up. You build a resilience, and the unconditional confidence comes not from thinking you'll never get knocked down, but from knowing deep within you that every time you get knocked down, you will get back up. As Nelson Mandela said, "Do not judge me by my success, but judge me by how many times I fell down and I got back up." And you can do that for yourself.